Every year, homeowners lose billions of dollars to contractor fraud, bad bids, abandoned jobs, deposits that just vanish, and contractors get hurt too. Clients who refuse final payment, no documentation, no recourse, no protection. The problem is never the people. It's the lack of a system. JobLockHQ fixes that. Before work begins, a homeowner and their contractor agree on every milestone in writing with verified digital signatures. Each phase is documented, approved, and signed before the next payment is released. No surprises, no disputes, no ghosting. The contractor gets guaranteed payment for completed work. The homeowner gets a verified record of everything, from first handshake to final payment, both sides protected, every job, every time. JobLockHQ, lock in the job. Founding member access is open now at joblockHQ.com.